Shut up and sit down.
Oh, good afternoon and welcome to another video with me and the dog. That's Beethoven. Beethoven has been a feature of all these videos for a long time. I've had Beethoven for years. Beethoven used to be the laughing stock of all the other videos when we used to go off-roading. Beethoven used to go everywhere with me in the passenger seat. She's now become a feature of this car. And if I go out in my Suzuki, she comes out in the Suzuki with me. Call me daft, but she's always gone out with me when we've been off-roading. That's not the point of this video. A couple of videos back, I asked a question. And it's taken me quite a while to get back to this question. What other cars did you consider before you bought your Yaris Hybrid? I've had a lot of comments and a lot of response to the video, and I've now compiled a list of about 7 or 8 cars that people were looking at before they bought their Yaris Hybrid. So I'm going to do each car as an individual video, and I'm going to do 2 comparisons in each video. The first video is going to be Fiesta versus Yaris GR Sport, and the Fiesta I've chosen, which is the one most people were looking at, was the ST line 1 litre EcoBoost with the 7-speed power shift gearbox mild hybrid. And the 2 comparisons I'm going to do in each video, I'm going to do the same format for every single car, is a base Yaris Hybrid with no extras, and a base whatever the car is going to be that we're comparing in that individual video. In the first video it's going to be an ST line Fiesta EcoBoost 1 litre, and we're going to look at a base model GR, base model ST line, and we're going to look at the specs of a base model in each of the 2 choices, price, advantages of one against the other, and we're just going to compare them. And I'm going to give my views on the competitor that the Yaris has got against the advantages that the Yaris has got over that car. And then in part 2 of the video, I'm going to spec whatever the car is and bring it up to the same specification as my Yaris GR Sport, which has got extras on it. The ash grey, the bitone roof, which you can't get sadly anymore, and what you get when you put the city pack on the Yaris. And we'll bring the Fiesta up to the same specification in the first video, and we'll compare them 2 cars on specification. So that's the series of videos I'm in the process of making at the moment, but the Fiesta one I've almost finished, and that'll be released in the next couple of days. This video is just an introduction to tell you what I'm doing with these videos and explaining how they're going to work. And just to let you know, I haven't forgotten about the question I asked: what other vehicles did you consider before buying Yaris or Yaris GR Sport or any of the Yarises in the range? It's just taken me a long time to compile and go through all the comments to get the list of cars we're going to use in this series of videos. Anyhow, hopefully you're going to enjoy this little series of videos, because I've enjoyed making the videos, or I've started on them. and I've enjoyed doing all the research on all the different models that are comparable to the GR Sport, the Icon, the Design, the XL, whichever one you've bought, because they're all amazing cars in the Yaris range. But I'm going to base everything on GR versus whatever in the range of the other manufacturer. Anyhow, I hope you enjoy the series. Please consider liking the video. Please consider subscribing to the channel, because it really helps the channel and it helps me fund the videos I'm making. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this little introduction to the new series. Have a great day.